Hi everyone, this is me Toufic and you are watching Land with Toufic Ahmed YouTube channel. So welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this brand new video, I will show you how to create Shopify policy pages with templates. I mean using templates you can create easily policy pages in a few seconds or minutes, 1 to 2 minutes, and you can how to link up the policy pages with the heading section. I mean the header. So in this video we are gonna show or you can link up to here and also from also at the footer also. So and you thanks to you all. So you all have shown me the love of 252 views in the previous videos, and also you are showing the love with 60 video views, I mean sorry, 252 views, and you are watching, you are showing love, you all are well, I mean you are all are helping me to supporting me to grow in the YouTube's and in this YouTube content creation journey. So thank you for this help, support and help. So let's start the video. So let's head over to the main. This is a Shopify partner admin. So I am in my demo store and its name is Groom Shaver. Okay. So at first, what we have to do at first, this is your admin. I mean online store themes. Just go to settings. After going to settings, just click policies. Okay, click policies. There is see, you can see that, as you can see, written policies are linked in the footer of checkout and can be added to your online store menu also. So what does it mean? It means like we can add and create and add this menu in our header also, header part also. We can add it as in our footer part also. So uh, let's, what is this? Customer data, sorry, this is customer data. So not it is for meta field. So just go to, head over to policy page in the settings. Look, store setting policies or legal. If you use like uh, this is your store link, then you can, if you type setting slash legal, you will redirect to this sorry legal setting. I think I have made a mistake. Policies, settings, sorry, settings, it will be settings. So if you type also settings slash legal, you will redirect to the policy option. Okay, so look, this is a no, there is no policy set, okay, here. So what we can do, and contact information is already used or already set. So at first we let's see with the return and refund policy. So just go to return and refund policy. So you can, we can use chat GPT or anything to create like sorry, so like, hey GPT, I need I need a demo Shopify refund policy. I am typing short, okay, just for short description for showing you how we can add this. Just like, look, this is just normal text. Like you can use like something this as your brand name, like if you have a brand like Blim, BLEM, Blim, like something is this type, refund and policy. And you can also click this type and you can make this like this, refunded, and make this bulleted lists. And let's fix this process, refund process. Okay, after the refund process. Okay, perfect. And another one. Okay, so this can be a demo. I am just showing you demo. So what we can do, we can also use from template. Like, look, there is a option here, insert template. So if we click on this, it will create a automated template for the refund policy page. So it is so much easier option and easier customization. If you are new to Shopify and starting a new business, don't you have to hire any freelancer or anything. You can just automatically create and in a easy few steps. Okay, if we click publish, and after creating that, this is my mail and my everything, my information. So it is just showing because this store is connected with this mail, so it is just showing this. So after you create your store, just change the contact information as your need. Okay, as 30-day you can use, 20-day as your need. You can everything you can customize here. Okay, there is a HTML also, you can change everything from here if you know code. Okay, perfect. So what we can do, that bulleted list, we can insert an image, something like this. uh, Look, but I'm just showing you with with this text. Okay, after that, the privacy policy template, click. Okay, it's automatically created. You can just customize, you can as your need, as your business info. So what we are providing, uh, uh, how you are hiding the privacy of your customers. It is already made by Shopify, and please read the Shopify's privacy policy, Shopify's requirements of this, how you can set this privacy policy and how it should be set as a business owner you are. So without any reading any policies of Shopify, please don't do anything in Shopify. Okay, and don't run any business. Please at first note or read first Shopify policies, Shopify policies. Look, read this blocks at first, because this will help you what is the privacy policy and how you can take customers data. And if you don't follow their rules and regulation, your store can be banned. Okay, so after that, just we can create a terms of service policy. So let's create on template, I mean insert template. So like this is the government law, changes to terms service, contact information of your business. There is many types of sections. These are from law, terms of service. Okay, look, you can read and you can customize from here. Okay, let's publish this. Okay, after the shipping policy also here. So if you are like giving a 7-day free shipping policy or anything, you want to provide the customers this information, like whenever a customer visits to your store, you want to show that what's the shipping policy, what's the product policy, or the refund policy. So you can create from this dashboard, like admin or Shopify dot just store name settings legal. Okay, so shipping policy, like SHI would be shipping policies also. Like it will create me a demo. Okay, you can change from you can use your own content. You can hire a content writer or you can do from your own. Okay, just I am publishing this. Now what we can do and how we can set this to our header or our footer menu. So just go to online store, then navigation. After going to navigation, we can go to main menu, like then just go to click here, click policies. Like automatically it will take the title policies. Then again policy, we have created 4 policies. So this is the number 3 shipping policy, and number 4, which is terms of service. And look, this is a one by one. If I create something like this, there will be a parent of this 4 policies. Like let's create this something like policies. Okay, policies, and let's make this hashtag with. So if anyone click on this link, or I mean the text, that will be read it, and that will not work. That will be static. Okay, let's drag this under below the contact, and let's drag this under policies. Okay, sorry, not this. Okay, policies. Carefully drag this under one by one. Okay, so this is the main parent, and this is the four policies. Let's save this. Let's see. So if you create another menu, so it okay, if we go to this, okay, perfect. So this nested menu, okay, what is saying that navigation helps your customer browse, okay, adding menus, you can add, remove, change, you can read also this is the Shopify ZI, you can take help from it, this okay. Okay, perfect. So what we can do next is we can create a footer menu also. Like for the footer, we can, like I'm just showing with only two policies, just privacy and shipping. Okay, perfect. Now let's head over to the online store themes. Whatever theme you have published, go to, I have done theme, so let's go to customize. After that, go to header, main menu. Okay, you can change, replace, like if I change this like this, if I replace footer menu, it will show the footer menu, but I am showing the main menu. So there is another option here, edit. So yeah, it will redirect me to the main panel of this menu, but I'm not going. We can show mega menu from the here, drawer. Okay, just, but I am showing a mega menu. So let's see, place to main. Okay, look, if I click this to drop down, it will show drop down. Okay, perfect. Now let's go to the footer, click this arrow, menu, footer menu, replace. Let's choose footer menu, it's automatically chosen. So now if we preview the store, look, this is the policy. If I click on the policies, it is not redirecting me to any another page or another link or another website. So use hashtag. Okay, so look, under this policies menu, it is under there are four policy pages. Okay, if I click one of this, so look, this is the policy page, terms of service. If you have a premium theme, it will look much more good design. Okay, and this is the footer. If I add more something like this is only one, so it is showing like this. If I add a brand information, like something, edit brand information from setting will be, sorry, preference. This for SEO, something like brand information. So let's delete this, and like heading and image, let's select an image, something like ska logo. So now the how this footer will look like, let's preview now. Let's reload. Look, at first it was showing only one row column. Now it's showing in one row 3 columns. Okay, so you have to customize it, and how this is how you can set a policy, create policy pages with templates and customize as your own. And you can also link to the header or footer. So if you found this video helpful, so please subscribe to the channel and follow me, and you can also support me through buy me a coffee if you need a customized high converting product pages, high converting gem pages, Peacefly pages. So you can buy templates from me. So let's check this out. Shop. So look, I have two templates right now, but I will add in future more. So it's the net is little bit slower. If I delete this also, look, there is two high converting Shopify editable gem pages template one, and it's a Pagefly editable template. So this is a product page, and this is also a home page or sales funnel, whatever you call it. It can be used as a sales funnel. Just customize the text. It can be a product page or not product page. This can be a sales funnel, but also a home page. It can be. So you can check the preview also from here. Okay, just only for $15. This is a high converting product pages with proven strategies made, and you can this is the password to view this store. Look, again click on this and it will show you. Sorry, then click on this, the second link, and look, this is the high converting. Look, the preview, the UI. This is a great UI I have designed for your business. And are you starting a new business with less money, with less budget, low budget? So I am suggesting you to use this type of templates to use on Pagefly page builder. And this template is only goes with like I have mentioned it, that this, if this is Pagefly, so it will only used in Pagefly. And if you will get every information after you purchase this, you will get a mail, or if you will get a thank you information, everything, how you can use this, you will get every information. So show me your support by purchasing these templates, and if you have any question you can ask me there. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to do any comment and share the video. So thank you for this video. See you again in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.